Okay, next topic for year 7 is FDP, which actually fractions, decimals, percentages. This is part 1. This 100 square represents one whole. So as soon as I get 100, I'm thinking about percentage. The part cent means 100, per means divide. So what percentage is shaded? Well, on here I've got lots of 10. So I've got 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, that's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That is 35 out of 100 as a fraction, which we write as 35%. So that is the percent shaded. What fraction is not shaded? Well, the rest, 100, take 35 is 65%. Always read the question fraction, 65 over 100. I could simplify that, and if I did, I'd divide by 5, which would give me 13 over 20. But I don't always do that unless it's asked. If you made a mistake on it, of course, you could lose some marks. So only do it if you're asked to. Complete the statements using less than, greater than, or equal to. What we really need to do is change all these into something that we can recognise, and probably I would change them all into decimals. 2% is 2 over 100, which is actually 0.02. Okay, 0.2, also make them look the same using the same amount of decimal places. I can see that the 0.20, if you want to call it that, is bigger than the 0.02. So that is one way of doing it. You could have changed this one by timesing by 100, and you could have said that that is 20. Oops, not 200. You could have said that that was 20%. So there's, this is the idea of fractions, decimals, percentages. The next one, 4 over 10. Well, that is 0.4. It's in the tenths column, which is 0.402 decimal places. That is bigger than 0.36. You could have called this one 40%. And I could have called, if I times this by 100, I could have called it 36%. So, and that's 40% because that's 40 over 100. So there's lots of working out going on here. I would expect that we would know that 25% equals a quarter, and the reason why it equals a quarter is that if I go from 4 to 100, which is times by 25, if I go times 1 by 25, I get 25 over 100, which is 25%. So these two are equal. Anything else up here? Tell you what, we'll leave that for another day.